just making room for what I'm on now. I don't got a clue, but I know.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be dyeing my hair blonde. I've not done it myself before, but I want to try it, so I want to take you guys along. So I hope it turned out well, though I don't know, because I just hope it turned out well. I like doing things myself, so that's it. If not, I would have gone to the salon, but I want to try it out. It's not supposed to be that difficult. So I have here a Vaseline, so I'm just going to put this all over my edges. Going to put it all over my edges. So yeah, I think I need to get a mirror. I'm not with any mirror yet, so just my phone, so I have to get a mirror. I'm just going to wear my glove. So this is the developer I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be pouring 125 of this developer. My hair is not that much, it's not much. So yep, I'm using this bleach powder. So I'm just going to take some few spoons, 1.5 m, so I'm just going to take 2 from this. So I'll be getting my towel because I don't want bleach to enter my body. So yeah, so I'm going to start from the middle because I'm going to put the bleach. I'm going to put it on my edges last, so let me just do it fast now. Leave it for like 30 minutes, then I'm going to wash it out. As you can see, it's already changing. I just can't wait. Then I'm going to wash it out, guys. So let me just show you guys around and see. I hope I got every bit of the hair, but I don't want one side to be dark and the other one to be white. So like I'm still waiting, then I also go and wash it out. Like guys, see, it's already flowing. Oh guys, can you see my hair? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Let's just wait. So guys, I'm going to wash my hair with this Mega Growth shampoo. So I just want to wash it. I think this is the color I want. I don't want it to be too white more than this, so I'm just going to wash it, then come back here and show you guys. It looks reddish, but I really don't like this color. I'm still going to put dye again. I want it to be like, I want blonde, but this is not blonde. I'm still going to add more bleach and see. It's getting there, but this is not what I want. It's getting there. It's getting there. So I don't like this color, just reddish, and I don't like it. So I'm just going to still add and leave you to rinse it. guess that one I didn't wait enough because I was scared. So I'm just going to do it well and just come back. So I went ahead to wash it off camera. Now I'm just going to apply the Shimmer Light Conditioner. This is going to tone down all brassiness from the hair, and also I'll just allow it to sit for like 2 minutes, then I'm going to wash it out again. So firstly, I'm going to apply this Cantù natural hair deep treatment. Also, I'm still going to apply this leave-in conditioner Cantù repair cream. It provides intense moisture, leaving hair soft, smooth, formulated from damaged, dry, scar hair. So this is very useful. It just help your hair not to get more damage from the bleaching. And the almond oil, you can use any oil, you can use coconut oil, but this is what I have, so this is what I'm going to be applying. Then after this, I'll just allow it sit for like 30 minutes before I wash it out. I've washed my hair now, so I just want to put the oil, sweet almond oil, then wash it a little, though I don't want it to be dark. Hair styling gel. So guys, this is it, man. How is it? I know I don't have front head, but I'm loving it. I'm so loving it. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any question, leave it down in the comment section. I'll be there. So if you're new to my channel, welcome to the family. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you all be notified anytime I drop a new video. I upload every Sunday, guys. So guys, see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.